Welcome to today's episode of the Hunterdon County Farm to Fork series. My name is Megan Muehlbauer, and today I will be talking with you about strawberries. Strawberries are one of the most popular small fruits in the United States. The vast majority of strawberries sold in grocery stores from December through October are from California and Florida. Strawberries can and are grown in New Jersey, though, and throughout the Northeast. However, they are typically grown in that region for local fresh consumption, from late May through mid-June. There are several species of strawberries that have been crossed to derive the strawberries we cultivate today. The vast majority of strawberry breeding and cultivation has been done in just the past 200 years, making them fairly new to agriculture. Strawberry plants are notable in that they grow from a crown, which is a short, reduced stem. From this crown, roots, leaves, flowers, and runners, otherwise known as horizontal plant stems, are produced. At the base of each leaf, a bud is produced, and under the optimal growing conditions, a runner, or branch, crown, will form. Runners are important to strawberry production because they are one of the most common ways in which strawberries are propagated. Under warm temperatures, during long growing days, runners are produced. Often these runners will root and can be dug in the fall or early spring and then put into cold storage to be planted in later spring. Runner tips can also be removed and placed in plug trays. The plug trays are misted until tips root. Strawberries are self-fertile. However, the berry size and yield have been shown to increase when they are cross-pollinated by insects. Although I have referred to strawberries as berries throughout the presentation, they are not true berries. True berries develop from a flower ovary. Strawberries form from a flower's receptacle, the thickened portion of the stem the floral parts are attached to. Strawberries have ovaries within the seeds that are attached to the outside of the fruit. Once the seeds are fertilized, it stimulates the receptacle tissue to enlarge and fill with sugars, aromatic compounds, and pigments. The size and shape of the fruit are thus a result of the number of seeds on the outside of the receptacle. Strawberries can grow under a number of different growing conditions. However, they require at minimum a 4-month-long season. Although they generally grow well in the Northeast, early flowering varieties are susceptible to early spring frosts. This is because the flowers are fairly susceptible to cold injury. Cold injury will occur if a strawberry crown chills to 24 degrees Fahrenheit. One way in which many growers protect against this is by laying a fabric cover, a blanket of sorts, over the plants at night if low temperatures are forecasted during bloom. Strawberries also require consistent water. However, it is important that there is adequate water drainage. Thus, fields of poorly drained, heavy clay soil are not particularly desirable for strawberry production. In commercial strawberry production in the Northeast, strawberries are most often grown in a matted row system. They are planted in wide spacing in the spring, and runners fill the gaps throughout the summer. Fruiting begins the following June. This system is productive. It yields 7,000 to 15,000 pounds per acre of strawberries. There is a significant amount of strawberry breeding in the United States, resulting in an ever-increasing availability of varieties. One important way in which varieties are characterized is by the season they grow in, early, mid, or late season. Notable early season varieties include Early Glow, which is recognized in the Northeast as a superior variety. The fruit is spherical with excellent flavor and color. They are also resistant to a number of diseases. Jewel is a late season variety from New York and is one of the most widely planted berries in the Northeast. It is noted for its large fruit, firm texture, and excellent flavor. It is also excellent for freezing. Rutgers University has its own strawberry breeding program as well. Dr. Gojko Jelenkovic had worked for over 35 years to improve the yield, disease resistance, flavor, and quality of these juicy ruby berries. Subsequently, the advanced breeding selections were tested by agricultural agents Peter Nietzsche and Bill Lubick in field trials throughout the state. This work has culminated in patenting and release of the Rutgers strawberry cultivar, Rutgers Scarlet, which is well adapted to grow throughout the northeastern United States. This concludes this week's Hunterdon County Farm to Fork episode. Tune in next week to learn about the health benefits of eating strawberries and creative ways to cook with them with our county's Family Health and Consumer Science agent, Sandra Grenz.